Welcome to another vital nursing video. In this video, you will get to test your nursing critical thinking skills by answering one question. Can you get it correct? Before we start, subscribe for more videos like this to help you pass nursing school. We want to help nursing students succeed and become well-equipped nurses once they're in the field. Videos are uploaded frequently, covering multiple nursing topics. Now let's begin. The physician decides to prescribe both a short-acting insulin and an intermediate-acting insulin for a newly diagnosed 8-year-old diabetic client. An example of a short-acting insulin is Novolin Regular, Humulin, Lente Beef, Protamine Zinc Insulin. This type of question will test how well you remember each insulin medication. The first step with all nursing exam type questions is to eliminate answers based on what you know. Now, let's eliminate each answer and find out which answer is correct. NPH and Lente are intermediate-acting insulins, making these answers incorrect. Protamine zinc insulin is a long-acting insulin preparation, making this answer incorrect. Novolin is a short-acting insulin, so answer A is correct. Okay, so, how did you do? Did you get it correct? Leave a comment below saying whether you got the answer right or wrong. Thank you for watching, and remember, we post videos weekly, so check in often.